Hello students, I am Safia, your science teacher. We are going to end the topic today, that is respiration in organisms. We are going to learn how plants will respire. Animals and human beings, right? So other one is respiration in plants. In class 6 we have learned that plants will also respire like us, but plant doesn't have nose, so the part of the plant will be behaving as the nose, that is stomata. Stomata, which are minute, they help in exchange of gases. Stomata are present in the leaves, right? So stomata will help in exchange of gases. So let us find out respiration in plants. Till now, so to do this activity we have to take some materials required, we have to make the apparatus. So the aim of this activity is to know the respiration in plants. So we have completed. Now materials required are a conical flask, 2-hole rubber cork, glass tube, rubber tube, then lime water, sorry not lime water, water, dropper, funnel, flowers and birds, B-U-D-S, birds, not B-I-R-D-S, not birds, this is buds. So these are the materials required for this experiment. Now what you have to do, you have to make the apparatus by using these materials. Take a conical flask, fix a 2-hole rubber cork to this conical flask. So in one hole you have to, in both the holes you have to insert, so in one hole you have to insert the glass tube and put a delivery tube. Okay, put a delivery tube to this. That is rubber tube we have taken, and the other one you have to put the funnel. You have to put the funnel. So this is how you have to make this one. And now what you do, yeah, one more test tube also. Maybe I haven't wrote here. Okay, we need test tube as well as lime water. Test tube, lime, water. So let us start this apparatus making. So we have made this. Now take lime water into this test tube. We have taken lime water in the test tube and connect this delivery tube into the test tube. Now what we have to do here, it is an empty conical flask. We have not taken anything in this. Only in this test tube we have taken the lime water. Now take, with the help of dropper, drop one drop of water into the funnel. Here we have funnel, right? So now we have, with the help of dropper, we have to add water. Add drops of water through this funnel into the conical flask. And observe any changes. Do you find any changes in the lime water? No, you can't find any kind of changes. This is the one part of the experiment. Now in the second part of the experiment, same apparatus is same, just remove this and nothing was here first part, but in second one you have to put the flowers and the birds. Put the flowers and birds in the conical flask and put 2-hole rubber cork. In one hole you have to put the glass tube with the delivery tube, and second one you have to put the funnel, and this delivery tube is connected to the test tube containing lime water. Now we have now this is second step is ready. Now take dropper, with the help of dropper add water to this conical flask. So when we add water to this conical flask, actually after putting all this, leave this for half an hour. After half an hour, start doing the experiment. Okay, you have arranged these flowers, birds, everything. Leave it for some time, that is half an hour. And after half an hour, take the dropper and start dropping the water into the funnel. Take dropper and add water to the funnel. So through funnel it will come into the flask. And we will observe after some time when we are going on adding the water, this lime water will start changing into milky. So why lime water changes milky? That is because when it reacts with carbon dioxide. That means these flowers and birds will also respire like us. They also take oxygen and leave carbon dioxide. Okay, and that we are doing experiment and getting the result here. So we, plants, animals, not only inhale oxygen, but the amount of oxygen inhaled is more. The air which we are inhaling, it contains more oxygen, right, along with other gases. In the same way, the amount when we are exhaling along with carbon dioxide, other gases, little amount of oxygen will also be liberated out. More will be taken, less will be liberated out. So this is how, that means respiration in plants is also possible. Not only in the plant but every part of the plant will respire. Plant, leaf, stem, root, flowers, buds also. So this was experiment by using flowers and buds. Same experiment you have to do by using sprouted seeds. You know sprouted seeds? The seeds which have small plants, okay, small plant will be coming. That is what sprouted seeds. A root will be coming for that. That will be a sprouted seed. So same, remove all those things, clean the test tube and the funnel. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to take the sprouted seeds in the conical flask, arranging this all, putting using 2 hole rubber cork. In one hole you have to use glass tube, connected with delivery tube into the funnel containing lime water. Other one we are going to take the crystal funnel. Now let it stay for some time, that is half an hour. After half an hour, take the dropper and start adding the water through funnel, and you will observe that this water, lime water, will again change into milky. That means sprouted seeds, actually seeds, when they come in contact with the moisture, they will start doing respiration. So when we are adding water, that means they are becoming wet, they are becoming moist, and as a result respiration is starting here. That means respiration in plants is also possible. So this was the lesson, respiration in organisms. We have learnt about the respiration in human beings, breathing, respiration, etc. Discovery of carbon dioxide and oxygen as well. Then we have found out what gases are inhaled and exhaled. Then different animals use their different respiratory organs. Then about the plants, how plants, different parts are also helpful, are they are performing respiration. In the hospitals we have seen, in emergency cases they will bring the oxygen cylinders. That means it is artificial oxygen which is stored. So oxygen will be extracted by doing some chemical reactions in the laboratory, and that oxygen will be stored for the further use. So they will be collecting in the cylinders and keeping it. So whenever the patients who have some lung problem or they are feeling shortness in breath, they cannot breathe properly. If they are not getting oxygen properly, so they will be kept on ventilator and the oxygen cylinders. So the persons during operations, oxygen cylinder is required, and for people who are very old, who cannot breathe and all those, for them also oxygen is required. So that means oxygen is stored in the hospitals and hospitals for usage in the operations and treatment. Friends, your homework will be confirmation test for carbon dioxide. It is very easy. Already you know how to do confirmation test for carbon dioxide. So as we know, lime water changes milky. So this property we are going to use and going to confirm carbon dioxide gas. So first of all, what is required for us? Lime water. So you already know how to make lime water. I explained in the lesson acids and bases. So let me recall, I will say how to make lime water, and you have to perform this activity. Take one glass half filled, okay, half filled with water. Take one glass half filled with water, add 5 grams of lime into it, and then stir it well and let it stand overnight. Today evening when you are getting this video, on that day itself make this lime water and keep it same as it is without disturbing complete night. The next day morning separate the water and the residue of it. So water should be used for doing this experiment. So see, you have separated all those, and now we have lime water. So take one, you have straw for drinking juices, you will be using the straw, same straw you use here, and blow out the air, exhale the air, don't inhale, exhale the air, right? Exhale the air. So how much of air you can exhale? You have to exhale, and observe the changes in the lime water. You'll observe that lime water will change into milky. So everyone should do this experiment. As it is an experiment, you have to follow the format. Aim to confirm the presence of carbon dioxide in the exhaled air. To confirm the presence of carbon dioxide in the exhaled air is your aim. Materials required are what? Lime water and all. You have to think and write. Procedure. Finally, observation. What is your observation that you have to write down? Thank you, students. Read well, go through the lesson properly, and do these worksheets carefully and properly.